Hi, welcome to Witch Piece Craft. Today's video is on open skein and scrap yarn projects. I put together a slideshow on projects I make with my leftover yarn. At the end of this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment so we can get to know each other. Open skein scrap yarns, they mount up. What do we do with them? Yarn's too expensive to waste, so you need to get bang for your buck out of your yarn purchase. The challenge with these projects is the combination of colours. On what project do you do? There are lots of free patterns for small projects online, so check them out. And if you need to do a yarn substitute, in the description below I'll leave a link to a site you can check out. Open skein scrap yarn project. You need to choose a good base colour and blend other colours that make a nice combination. If you doubt your combination you've picked, you can always Google online a colour palette and check it out and get ideas to make your project. Good base colours are black, grey, white, cream, brown, red. My favourite would be brown. I find it's the most versatile for the projects I like to make. I save all my open skeins in bags and I write identifiers on the bag. For example, I might write 3-weight stroke 8-ply, and all that yarn goes in there waiting for a scrap yarn project. I usually have a couple of scrap blankets on the go. One is usually colour themed and one is multicolored themed. I like to do corner to corner blankets. It keeps me interested on the ongoing project. When they reach the set size that I want, I finish them up. Sometimes I'll put a frill around them in one colour and sometimes I won't. They usually get donated to charity because that's the thing I do with them. I don't really have a purpose for them. So stay and enjoy the slideshow, look at the different projects, and if you need any further information, just leave a comment and ask a question. Well, you've nearly reached the end of my slideshow. You're probably looking at the poppy. I made nearly 100 of these last year and donated them to various Australian war memorials for the 100th anniversary of Remembrance Day. Remembrance Day was my parents' wedding anniversary and my dad was married in uniform, so it holds a special meaning to me. I highly recommend you invest in a pom-pom maker. I would be lost without mine. Thank you for watching this video. Why not stay around and watch my tea cozy projects, my favourite projects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep following my yarn adventures. Have a crafty day.